everyone, welcome to Ekritis Tech Bytes. Today I'm going to start my day 4 Linux journey. And right now I am using Linux Mint 22.1. Yes, I have upgraded my system from Linux 22 to 22.1. Today we are going to learn how to install and uninstall a software in Linux Mint. For that, let's go to the start menu and find out the software manager. So there are two ways available to install a software in Linux Mint. First, the software manager, and the next one, obviously, the Linux terminal. So for the time being, I am not going to explore the Linux terminal. First, the software manager, the easiest one to install a software in Linux Mint. For the time being, let's minimize the terminal, and the software manager is ready right now. Few things you need to do before using the software manager. First, you need to update the software sources, that is from where you are going to download the software. Here, first you need to authenticate yourself. Here you need to select the mirrors those are nearby to your location. After selecting the mirrors, you need to update the apt cache. It will take a couple of seconds to update the cache. The update is complete. It's time to close the software sources. Okay, and let's go back to the software manager. Now I want to install VLC Media Player. Let's go to the start menu and check if VLC is available or not. Now the VLC Media Player is not available here. So let's install the VLC Media Player. For that, search for VLC and hit enter. It's going to give you all the options related to the VLC. And right now, click on VLC. Next, click on install, and it's going to install the software. But before that, you need to authenticate yourself. Now the installation is complete. You can open the VLC Media Player from the launch option. There is another way to check if VLC is installed or not. Let's go to the start menu and next search for VLC. Now the VLC Media Player is available. Now it's time to play a video file and check if the total installation is complete and successful. Right now I'm going to open a video file to check if VLC is working or not. Now, if you want to uninstall the VLC Media Player from your system, what to do? Let's go back to the software manager and next search for VLC. Let's go to the start menu and search for VLC. Now, no VLC Media Player is available. That means the uninstallation process is complete. Now, if your favorite software is not available in the software manager, what to do? For that, there is another option that we are going to try now to install a software. Yes, your guess is right. I am talking about the terminal. Now let's explore the command that is required to install the VLC Media Player in Linux Mint with the help of terminal. So here it's sudo apt install VLC. Let's copy the command. Now hit enter. It's going to ask for the password. Now the installation process started, but before that it's asking you to continue or not. Let's put Y here. And now the installation process successfully running. Let's go to the start menu and again search for VLC. and here the VLC media player is available. So we can open the VLC media player and check if it's running or not. Again, let's play a file. Load that. Right. Now it's time to explore the uninstallation process via Linux terminal. For that, we are going to use sudo apt remove VLC. Now it's time to check if VLC is available in the system or not. And right now it's not available. With this, I'm going to wrap up today's video tutorial. If you have any doubt or query, please feel free to communicate with me through the comment section of the video. Thank you.